I did catch him another time at night. It looks like he's grown.
Maybe it's a different one.
Well, it could be. I haven't checked it in a while. I'm going to take it and check it today and see.
Got a morning glory growing here.
Oh, yeah.
How did that question? We have morning glories all the time. And when it hit the garden at the bottom, but we haven't seen it in a long time.
Now, let's see. I don't know if that's the best way.
I don't know if that's the best way or not. I don't think so.
That's right.
That way you don't have to worry about slipping up money.
Oh, gosh. Don't tell me. Oh, I'm trying to move the wrong thing. So let's see. This is the outside, right?
I don't know how you got it.
I got to think about it a second. Yeah, this is the outside. Because the handle was on the inside to shut it, actually.
Yeah.
Is that right? Yeah, because the hinges are right there, so yeah, that would have to be.
I don't know how I'm going to be able to help you.
Yeah, I don't know either. Unless,
Unless you put it up, can you hold it from the inside?
you might be able to, Roy. You might be able to. I tell you what. I can't quite reach this. Let's see.
How's Wesley doing?
He's fine. He's
Got over his croup.
Yeah, I think he's pretty much over that and everything. All right, so if you're on this side, I believe you can just step up right here, enough just to steady that end, and I believe that'll work.
Well, let's see.
I'm hoping that's. Just make sure I got the right kind of screw here. I think that'll work. Hold that right there. Let me get up there a little bit. That's how far I need to go. Well, okay, we'll just hold this right here for a second. I'm thinking that maybe. All right, can you hand me the drill in this hand? You may not even have to get up here, Roy. Got it. All right, hand me like 3 screws out of that box right there. Saw that other hole there now. I hit this up a little high. Okay, I'm going to that. Still kind of worked good. I said it still kind of worked good pulling the truck up back there.
Got a wasp inside there now?
I don't know. I'm going to find out here in a minute.
I bet you.
I've killed them twice. And I fixed that door over there where hopefully they couldn't get back in, but I still see a little crack around
Oh
it.
yeah, they can get in there. Doesn't take much space for them to come in.
I wanted to spray some of the foam stuff, around some of the little cracks and stuff. Hey, well, good morning everyone. Alan here. Yeah, it looks like I'm ready for hunting season, doesn't it? This thing looks like a gun. It's the Dyson, I don't know, it costs a lot though. It's a Dyson cordless vacuum. And I brought it over. My wife doesn't know I have this, so maybe she won't look at this video. But anyway, I brought it over to get up the bees that I had to kill in my hunting blind. And also, what you just saw was, or you will see, or actually maybe you will see, because I'm filming this actually afterward, is the little rain flap that I put on the window. And it does two things amazingly well. It keeps out the rain. If it's raining, you can still stick your gun out and hunt. The other thing is, and I'm going to go up there and show you, with just that little bit, I can have my face almost at the window and you just can't see in. I don't have windows on the back and on the sides. I do have one place that I can open a window on the side, but anyway, very important to keep that light out of the blind. I'm going to show you just how effective that is. So anyway, I'm going to go back up in the blind, get up there, and I'm just going to let the video run, and you see if you can see me. All right, hold on. All right, so I'm hoping you can hear me, but I'm guessing you can't see me. Anyway, that's what I'm hoping. So anyway, can you see me now? Can you see me now? Now can you see me? I've got my head literally stuck out of the window, and I'm not even sure if you can see me that well. Anyway, we'll see. I mean, you'll see. Somebody will see. Hold on. I'm hoping and guessing that you didn't see anything, but we'll go take a look. I'll take you on a little tour of the hunting blind and give you the point of view of what I see. I need to add a little bit of stone or something at the bottom so that first step's not such a big one. Anyway, come with me and I'll show you where I hang out in the fall. As you can see, when you come in here, it gets a little dark, and that's okay. It's kind of the way I want it. The camera's doing a good job of adjusting the light. Here's my Cabela's big boy chair, which I love. This thing's got a mesh in it. Makes to where you can sit a long time. And I got plenty of room in this blind. It's a 6x6. Although I think if I had to do it over, I would make it a 6x8. Now here's what I see when I'm looking out. And you can see the food plot down there, and oddly enough, it's starting to come in, and we've only had maybe, my father-in-law just said they had about a ½ inch of rain last week, so maybe that helped a bit. You can see like one little patch of it there in the middle. I'll zoom in. Evidently, I asked him, I said, why do you think it's just right there? And he said, that's where all the dew and water collects, is in that little bit of a bottom there on that field. So I guess that's what it is. Anyway, we're still hoping for some rain, and hopefully this will be about perfect when hunting season comes. And what I'm hoping this year is to be able to film some of the hunts. If nothing else, just kind of watch the wildlife, which is kind of part of what I enjoy anyway. So I got to get back to cleaning everything out and getting the hunting blind stocked. Next Saturday is opening bow season, and I'm still trying to decide. I've got a crossbow. Still trying to decide whether it's just going to be too hot to hunt. It's no fun killing a deer and then having it so hot that you're afraid that the meat's going to spoil before you even get it field dressed. Well, so here's the view sitting in the chair in the hunting blind. And I found out a way that I could put the camera up there and kind of have it out of the way. I got a new Jobo 3K tripod to help with filming, and that thing is great. I mean, if you could see where I have it sitting, it might make you a little nervous, making me a little nervous. But anyway, I'm going to close this door so you can see. I'm shooting with the Canon M50 doing these videos, and I bought this camera back in the spring, and I've absolutely loved it. It's just the perfect size. It doesn't have every perfect feature, but size-wise, you can't beat it. You can take it with you. It's not cumbersome, and it's just fairly easy to operate. I've set up some custom buttons on it, so it's working great so far. And the focus tracking is just phenomenal on this, and that was the thing kind of holding back DSLRs from filming, was the whole focusing issue. But I think Canon, and I'm sure some of those have got that figured out. So I'm going to shut this door and see what it does to the light. Okay, so it cuts down on the light when you shut that door, and it's completely, I mean, really it's almost dark in here, and yet the camera's opening it up enough to where you can see me pretty good. So when I'm sitting here hunting, I'm setting back about I would say 2 feet from the window opening, and got a perfect view. And as I showed you in the other video, I can see out, I can see good, but the deer can't see in. Now the other thing is that you have to be quiet. I do need to do a little bit better job on kind of soundproofing some things in here. I've got carpet on the floor. I need to put some, I'd like to kind of finish off the walls and put some carpet on those too, so that would even help with the sound. It would also help with the heat, with it being cold in December and early part of January. So anyway, I just thought I'd give you a little tour of the hunting blind, and next time you see me in here, I'll have my full hunting gear on, and we hope to be able to film some hunts and be able to show you some wildlife here in Central Virginia. And you can just hang out with me in the blind if you'd like, and we'll see if we can't get it done this fall. You have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Hey, before I sign off, I forgot one thing. As far as the windows in there, I found these windows from a place called Deer View. I believe they're in Texas. And anyway, their windows are great. The one that I just showed you here is the one that fits on the inside. It's a very simple design, but it seems to work real good. I think the Morgans are going to use these same type of windows or something similar to it. They also make one that has that you mount from the outside that has a flange on it, and so I'm not sure what they're going to be using. But anyway, I was glad when the video was rolling and Mike said that they had found some windows from this company called Deer View, and it's worked really good for me. And like I said, they're priced, I think, where average person can afford them and not that expensive. And anyway, just wanted to share that with you before we close it out. Take care.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell